I recently cleaned out a couple of old toolboxes and I was left with a pile of what looks like junk. So my challenge was to make something useful out of it. So as you saw, I'm going to make a small table. I'm using the old chain as the perimeter for the table, and so I have to weld right round every link to make it nice and solid. As you can see, it's only relatively circular. I'm putting another piece of chain through the middle to make a yin and yang type shape. Now it's just a matter of selecting some of the junk and putting it in various places to give me a bit of an idea of how I'll weld all the pieces together. By placing them all flat on the bench, I'm going to get a relatively smooth top because I'm welding from the back. I bought a bit of new chain for the legs because I didn't have enough of the old stuff. I just tacked the legs on and then bent them until I got the table relatively level and then finished off the welding. I used a few pieces of old Rio rod just to brace the legs. Now it's painted in the traditional black and white type colours. You can see the shape of the outline. But I buffed the paint off some of the nuts and some of the spanners just to give it a bit more of an industrial look. And here it sits on the back porch, ready for its first coffee cup.